It's gray, black, and white. Yeah.
Yeah, I see one.
Same pattern as him, but just like army pattern. But it's black, white, and thing. It's ghost snake. It's a ghost corn snake, and it's like $120 though.
Yo, I seen them at Indoor Jungle. They just opened up, so all their shit's like mad price. They're selling corn snakes for $40. I seen a pink.
Oh yeah.
No, fuck off. Pam.
Where is it?
It's going in her shirt. It's gonna come out the sleeve, maybe.
I hope it comes out the sleeve.
You better hope it doesn't fucking bite me.
It won't bite you.
You might nest in your bra or something.
Oh, fuck that, yo.
Where's its head?
Ew, I can feel it. It's like getting. It's not like me. I don't think it's straight. It went straight.
It's because it's scared.
Yeah, because I touched it.
There goes the tail.
I'm trying to maneuver it around.
Damn, you're a fucking bitch. I don't like you down my shit.
I didn't do that. I did not do that.
She ordered it.
I took the video.
Orchestrated it all.
Where's his head?
That end.
What, this end here?
You got a friend over there.
Yeah.
Here he is! Hi, baby!